happy. Those who will think about you because of what happened to me. Whether I am alone or in your dreams, if you do not dream of my happiness, I will make you happy forever. I will be happy forever. My dear, when will you come? I have been waiting to give you my heart. I have always asked for it. I have found that you are the heart of my life. My worries and problems have always been with me. Your love, I'm surrounded by the wind. If I don't see you, I won't be able to escape my pain. My feelings for you are more than enough to make me happy. You are my love. You love me. You want me. I have found my happiness in my whole life. I will give it to you forever. I have been waiting for you. I wonder when my beloved will come. I have been waiting for you to give me your heart. I have always asked you. You are the heart of my whole life. My worries and problems have always haunted me. My love for you is surrounded by a sacred spirit. If I don't see you, I won't be able to forget my feelings. You are my love. You are the one